I'm up here today visiting with my good friend Nate at Timeless Motors. He's going to put a 2-inch Avid lift on my vehicle. He's the one that installed the front and rear bumpers on this vehicle about 8 months ago. These are just some shots of the vehicle before we install the lift. Be banging the hell out of it, so trying to get them out of your wrench.
Yeah, screw all that nonsense, man. That was way easier. I love it.
It's coming apart.
Just hammer that bad boy in there.
A little dirty, isn't it?
Not bad. That's the worst. I can help.
That's the 2-inch spacer that he's getting ready to install on top of the spring there.
Now this is the tough part. Getting it all back together. This is always different every time.
Where'd I lay that tool? Okay, he's got it back together. See how high this sits up now. Yeah. It's got it front all back together. Now it's time to start on the rear. It's got the back all apart now. Getting ready to lift it.
30 days, and you pay nada. Tap the banner now to start your free trial.
There's the 2-inch spacer that you put in the back. Coming down to the final part.
Yeah,
Putting the liners in, wheel well liners.
it's a beautiful thing.
Coming down to the final line here, putting the tires on.
Yes, sir.
Last step. I can't get over those control arms down there and how they stand out. They really look nice.
They kind of look trick, yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Look a lot beefier. Almost makes the axles look puny.
It does, kind of.
Da, 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 He's got her done. That looks super. 4.5 hours, I'll be home.